Hello guys, welcome to Lim Gao Tek's YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do some revision on SPM KSSM at Math Form 4 Chapter 3, System of Equations. Since it's a revision, I will go through the key concepts taught in this chapter. So there's basically two key concepts in this chapter. First, solving system of equation with 3 variables and 3 equations. Second, solving system of equation with 2 variables, 2 equations, 1 linear equation and another one non-linear equation. So linear equation means that it can be expressed in terms of y equal to mx plus c, whereas non-linear equation means that it cannot be changed into y equal to mx plus c, and in the syllabus, normally it means it's a second order polynomial equation. And through substitution method, we can change it to quadratic equation. Okay, so let's go through the steps of solving it one by one. Remember, no matter what equation is given or is it a KBAT question, the steps to solve it is the same. So to solve the first concept question where you are given 3 variables and 3 equations, you have to move the x to the left hand side and then move the other y and z terms to the right hand side, so that you got x in terms of y and z, and then when you have this, make it the first equation and then sub it into the second equation given, and then move around so that y is in terms of z, and then you got this and this, sub both of these 2 equations into the third equation, then you can get the z value. And if you got z value, sub it back to the y equal to fz, so that you got the y value, and then finally you got the x value. Okay, so talking so much, let's go through an easy example. Okay, so if you are given these 3 equations and asked to solve x, y and z, what you gonna do? Okay, so first you got to move the x into left hand side and then the others to the right hand side, so that you got x in terms of y and z. Okay, so by doing so, you got x equal to 3y minus z plus 2. This is the first equation. Okay, then sub first equation into second equation. So which one is the second equation? It's this one. Okay, so by substituting it inside, you got this, and then expand it, and then doing some simplification, you got 5y equal to 2z, and then finally y equal to 2z over 5. Okay, so make it the fourth equation. Okay, and then now you gotta sub this and this, this and this into the third equation, this one. Okay, so you got the third equation is x plus 2y plus z equal to 10, and then when you sub the first one into it, you got 3y minus z plus 2 plus 2y equal to 10. Okay, so now you gotta sub y equals to 2z over 5 into it, so that you got the z value. Okay, so sub it in, and then factorize the g out. So you got g equal to 4. Okay, so since you know y equals to 2 over 5 times z, So you know that y equals to 8/5. And then you know that x equals to 3y minus z plus 2. So sub it inside. You got x equals to 14/5. Okay, so it's just following the 4-step I taught. You can easily solve the system of equation with 3 variables and 3 equations. Okay, so now what if you are given the second concept question where you got 2 variables, 2 equations, one is linear, another one is non-linear. Okay, so you just move the x into the left hand side for the first equation, so that x is in terms of y, and then sub the first equation into the second equation so that you get a quadratic equation, and then solve the quadratic equation to get the y value, and then sub y back into 1 so that you get x value respectively. Note that y here might have 2 solutions, 1 solution or no real root solution. Okay, so let's have a KBAT question here. If you are given p equal to x minus y, q equal to x plus y minus 1, r equal to 2x squared minus 11y squared, and given this inequality, find x and y. Okay, so from 2p equal to q equal to r, you got 2p equals to q, q equals to r. You got 2 equations. Okay, so 2x minus 2y equal to x plus 1, x plus y minus 1 equals to 2x squared minus 11y squared. Okay, so now we arrange it as I have mentioned in the sets. Move the x into left hand side and y into right hand side so that you got x in terms of y. Okay, x equals 3y minus 1. This is the first equation. Okay, next we arrange the second equation so that you can make it the second equation. And then sub